welcome back to my channel. So I am doing a new series on Fridays where I am tackling things to help you fake a certain look if you don't have it naturally or you don't want to pay for it. I.e. today we are doing lips because I don't want to pay for lip injections. Cut. I've done this on my channel before a few years ago, but I've updated my products and this is my everyday like go-to lip look. If you like it, give this video a thumbs up and follow along. I would love for you guys to come back on Fridays and see what else I'm doing in addition to the other videos that I have on deck. It is so hot in my room. Be sure to leave down below a comment of what your favorite lip products are that you're currently using. I'm always on the hunt for something cool and new and like my next ride or die product. So if you'd like to see how we achieve this, then just keep watching. First things first, to prep my lips, I have them just wiped off. I've already brushed my teeth and everything. That takes a lot of my foundation off. So then I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. This is honestly what makes the biggest difference of whether your lips look plump or not. So I just pop this on. So this takes a second to kind of like work. I give it a few minutes. So I do my lips absolutely last. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and just curl my hair and add a little dry texture spray. And then we will come back in line. So I'm going to go ahead and curl my hair. This is the Nume wand. I believe that it is, it doesn't say. It's like the biggest one of their wands. I think it's like technically like an inch. So I'm going to just curl my hair while my lips are doing their thing. Honestly, my lips feel like they're on fire. But that's how you know it's working. Okay, so this has been sitting for about, I'd say like 5 minutes. I just did like a messy curl so it didn't take too long. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off this gloss. So I have two lip liners that I kind of go back and forth. The first one is from Kylie Cosmetics. It is in the shade Bear. And the second one is from MAC Cosmetics in the shade Soar. For today, I'm going to be using the one from Kylie Cosmetics in Bear. So I do overline my lips, just a little, nothing crazy. I will say I also like wax my upper lip because I found that if I overline and I haven't, I get like a little bit of an uneven edge just from where those little tiny minuscule hairs sit. So that's optional, but that is something else that I do. And I like this shade because it's so close to my natural. And once I'm happy with that shape, then I move on to the top. So you can see here, this side's obviously been lined and this has not. So I do just overline just a little bit. And I've never had lip fillers or lip injections done, so this is just my natural lip. So you can see the Too Faced lip injection just really helped to amp them up. Whether I'm doing a matte or like a glossy kind of look, I have two favorite products. The first is from Tarte. It's their Tartiest in the shade Exposed. And the second is from MAC Cosmetics in the shade Modesty. This is a cream sheen, so this is what I'll put sometimes over top. I will today for demonstration purposes, but sometimes I will just use the Tarte one. So starting off with my Tarte, I just follow the shape that I just created. So this is with the exposed shade on top. So I'm just gonna let that dry down for a second. I don't love a matte lip. Like, I like the look of a matte lip, but I hate the feeling on my lips, and I'm always like licking my lips and then I get this weird like lighter color on the inside and I look just not my cutest. So 9 times out of 10 I will go in with the shade Modesty from MAC over top. Or if I feel like I'm brave that day trying to do a matte shade, I will do this later on when I feel like I'm just the Sahara Desert on my freaking face. And it just helps to reapply without looking cakey and gross. Alright, and there you have it. This is my fake it till you make it, or just fake it for lips. If you guys like this, let me know, and let me know in the comments down below what your favorite shade of lipstick is and different ways that you kind of plump your lips or different products that you use for that. I would love to know. And yeah, I think that's it for me. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.